Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daanish. I'm a certified digital marketer and a business owner. I help other businesses be more productive and grow through my marketing services and content. At the same time, I run an edtech business in Manchester here in the UK. Today's video is a special one for all college and university students out there who are looking to supercharge their productivity but are unsure about which tools to use. The best part, I've curated a list of top-notch tools that are completely free for students. These premium apps typically come with a hefty price tag for regular users but completely free for students. So when we are talking about something free, why wait? Let's jump right into it. So first up, we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. For students, Notion offers a free plus plan that includes unlimited pages and blocks, which is perfect for managing your study notes, assignments, and even personal projects. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you can create to-do lists, track your progress, collaborate with classmates seamlessly. Imagine you're having your entire academic life organized in one place. That's the power of Notion. Well, I can go on and on about praising Notion all day, but let's move on to how we can get that for free. There are two ways of getting free access to Notion's Plus plan. The easiest one is to sign up using your university or college email. Then go to your account setting and choose Get Plus Plan for Education, and you will automatically be upgraded to Plus Plan. Uh, Second way is to sign up using your personal email and contact Notion support with proof of enrollment, and they will upgrade your Notion workspace. Next up is Canva. It's great. It's a great tool for creating impressive visuals, whether it's for your presentation, posters, or social media. Students can use Canva's premium features for free, including thousands of templates, millions of photos, and other design elements. This makes it easier to create professional looking projects and presentations. With Canva, you can easily make your work look more polished and creative. A lot of people think of Canva as only a simple graphic designing tool that lives online, but it has a lot more to offer, from designing to video editing to social media management. Let's say you are a volunteer for a student organization in your university. That organization can not only design marketing material for their events and promote, but other club members can also collaborate on those designs for quicker feedback and better collaboration. Another great thing is that you can put those straight on social media from within Canva without even needing to download them, export them, or even needing to figure out which size will work for which social media. Canva has that all figured out for you. To get Canva Pro for free as a student, you need to create a free account on Canva using any email, then then apply for Canva for education discount from their website. In a few days, Canva support will contact you for verification documents, and you will share your documents like your student ID, proof of enrollment letter to get verified, and then you're all sorted. Third one on the list is Loom. Loom is a video messaging tool that lets you record your screen, voice, and face to create engaging video content. This is perfect for students who want to create video presentations or collaborate on group projects. The student plan gives you access to unlimited video recordings, which can be a game changer for presenting your ideas and explaining complex topics. Plus, it's a great way to communicate with your professors and classmates more effectively. No need to write those lengthy emails, just send a Loom to your professor and save time. Looking to apply for that summer internship that everybody is behind? Skip that boring application form and send a Loom to your potential employer and tell them how you might be the best candidate for that internship. And you can, who knows, potentially you can get a permanent job there. To get Loom premium features for free, you need to Google Loom for education and then follow a very simple procedure to get verified as a student. The verification is although not instant. It can take a few days for Loom team to get back to you, but once you are verified as a student, it's all sorted for you. Moving on, we have Grammarly, the fourth one on the list. It is an AI powered writing assistant that helps you with spelling, grammar, style suggestions. As a student, you can get Grammarly premium features for free, which includes advanced checks for punctuation, grammar, context, and even plagiarism, which can sometimes be daunting for new international students, let's say. This tool is essential for writing essays, research papers, and even emails. With Grammarly, you can ensure your writing is clear, concise, and error free, which can significantly improve your academic performance. Also, if you are using Google Docs for your daily document writing, essays, and assignments, you can integrate Grammarly with Google Docs to check your assignments as you are writing them. It can be tricky to get Grammarly Premium as a student as their sign up process is a bit complicated. If you go through their normal sign up page, you will be signed up for a normal free plan. But if you Google Grammarly for education, then go to the first Grammarly page you see on Google search. Then you go to the sign up with your school button and then sign up from there. And then you will be signed up for a premium Grammarly account for free. I'll leave a link for that sign up in my video description. Last but not the least, we have Whimsical. Whimsical is a visual workspace for creating mind maps, flowcharts, wireframes, and sticky notes. It's an excellent tool for brainstorming, planning, organizing your thoughts visually. Students can get access to Whimsical's premium features for free, making it easier to collaborate with classmates, visualize complex concepts. Whether you are working on a group project or mapping out your study plan, Whimsical makes it simple and fun. So, there you have it, 5 must have premium apps that are free for students. These tools can significantly enhance your productivity and help you stay organized throughout your academic journey. Don't forget to check the links in the video description to get access to these amazing tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any other tools or apps that you find useful as a student, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.